Hello students, welcome back to another video of your beloved channel Studio City. So today we are going to cover 5 major topics or the vast topics which will also come in grade 8th, grade 9th, grade 10th and a whole overview of life. So the topics are of point, line segment, line, ray, angles and much more. Don't worry, it's not just rocket science but very easy work. So let's begin. So now what basically is a point? You can see that this small dot which is here, this is known as a point. For instance, with this grey pen I am marking a few dots here and here. These all are known as points. Each point will denote a different one. For example, this point is point A. So it will be known as point A. With each of the different names, the points are made and they can be used to show the geographical areas. Now, here we have these 3 points, point A, point B and point C. But what if I take this colored pen, I draw this line from one side to here, one side to here, one side to here. So we have this point and we have this line. But do remember that this line is closed at one end and opened at the another. So what will this be known as? Let's move ahead to see. So we all recall this line which we have studied. One end here, another here. One end open, one end closed. This is known as a ray. Ray is a type of line segment. You will learn line segments later on. It is a type of line segment which is open from one side and which is closed from another. For your reference, the rays can be in any direction. But do remember, you can't make a ray like this. This is a wrong ray. It must have a point and something like this. So hopping on to another topic, this is known as a line segment. So we come to know that line segments and everything is combined only. If we just extend this a little bit and do like this will be a ray. Whereas if I erase this portion and just let the AB stay, so what it will be? It will be a line segment. So we come to know that all these are interconnected, as we can say. Hopping on to another topic, this is an amalgamation of both a line segment and a ray. For example, let's say this point is Q, point Q. So from S to T, it will be a line segment. From Q to T, it will be a ray. And from S to Q, it will still be a ray. We come to know or we conclude that from only T to S, it is a line segment. Rest all, it is a ray. So this is how maths can be interrelated to. Now I wonder that what if instead of taking this as a ray, I draw a line like this. It has no points, it has no intersections, it has nothing. What will this endless line known as? We can see that there is something like this marked on both the sides. This denotes that this is a never ending line. So the thing which is never ending in mathematics, it is known as a line. And we know what's line segment. Line segment is a segment of line. Lastly, coming on to the angles topic, I would say that what if I extend the ray from one more side like this, I obtain this little thing here which is known as the angle. So what will we call something like this or something like this? Let's figure it out. So here we have this vertex which is the point. A point can also be written as a vertex only in the angles. We have this angle ray 1, ray 2 and this small vertex and this angle. For your clear information that what exactly is an angle consists of 2 arms. You can see that there are 2 arms here. And let me just mark them for you. This is a vertex, arm 1, arm 2, angle. Let me mark it from different colored pens so that you get a better reference. Vertex or the point, arm 1, arm 2. And lastly, we have this angle. So that was all for today. I hope you have understood the topics well. Thanks for watching.